Good day, it is Stephen Davids here. In this video, I want to provide you with a quick video manual of the Bosch AdvancedVac 20. Of course, these are the wheels, two wheels on both sides. Advantage of these wheels are that they have brakes that you can engage. It's not necessarily too steady, but it will help, of course, that the thing does not move too much forward if you're busy with some static work. Then here is an opening for the liquid, because this is a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, and you can quickly drain the liquids from it. Then this is the vacuum hose, in which you just put in the vacuum hose and then just turn it clockwise, the usual, and then anti-clockwise to release it and take it out. This is the plug. If you have a power tool that you want to attach to it, and this is one of the reasons why I bought this machine, to extract the dust when I use my power tools. This is then also the switch, on-off switch. If you this is a neutral position, on 0. If you press it down, it goes to the vacuum, then neutral, and then if you press it up, then it engages the power tools, and as soon as you put on the power tools, it engages. Switch off the power tools, it will stop working. And then, of course, here are the latches for the top part of the machine vacuum cleaner. Just lift this up there, and then you can lift this up. I will discuss this later on, and let's just put it back for the meantime, and clip it on, hook it on. Just put it in there, hook it on. Then if you come to the back, this is a handle, of course. There's nice wheels on which you can slide it. This is a handle, and at the back here are the specific it's nice that it has an onboard storage system. Starting from the right and the left, you will see here the parts come at different areas. This is the curved nozzle. This is a curved nozzle, and the curved nozzle, you will see there it's a little bit not so thin. The other side for the straight nozzle is a little bit broader. You put it there, and you can see there. So according to them, and it makes logical sense, it's much better there. You put it not like this, put it upside down. Here are the holders for the vacuum tubes. You can, it's not necessarily a way how you put it here. And then this is for the flat part that comes in front when you vacuum. There are two attachments here in front that can be removed. The one is the brush. Brush is, of course, part of it. But the problem is now if you, there's a rubber part also that comes there. That must be kept loose. Unfortunately, there's an onboard space for that.